Hey there, my name is Joe and I am here at the ever-inclusive Whole Foods, where I hear that they're now accepting Bitcoin at the checkout process. They're going to be using the app called SPEDN, which essentially is a play off of the term hodl. And so apparently now, hodling is not cool. You know what is cool? SPEDN. Let's go ahead and fill up my Bitcoin wallet and buy some kombucha and Plan B. So it appears that I'm still too broke for Whole Foods. So Petco, still taking this. Basically the nearest Petco was 45 minutes away, and I don't like my cat that much. So we're gonna do some Baskin Robbins. Okay, how about this? Let's do a double scoop. Let's do one peanut butter, Reese's peanut butter cup, and the other one the very berry strawberry.
Strawberry. You want that in a cup or a cone?
Cup.
In a cup?
Yes.
Anything else, sweet ma'am?
No, I'm good, thank you.
Alrighty, you can pull forward.
All right, thank you. Ooh. Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Great. I would like to spend my money using the Bitcoin wallet here.
Oh.
Just scan it, it'll work. Come back. There you are.
There you go. It was my first transaction with Bitcoin. What do you do with it, ma'am?
I'm great. Thank you so much. You have a lovely day. Thank you so much. Hell yeah. So we purchased this delicious Baskin Robbins ice cream using the correct form of Bitcoin. Bitcoin cash, bitches. So let's pull over and eat. Moral of the story. It's very easy. Show them the code, they'll scan it. They're going to be confused, but tell them to relax, ease up, scan it. It'll all go easy, all go well. And remember, be cash, always.